Welcome to Luxurium Design, where we take you inside the world's most luxurious homes. Today, we're stepping into a $100 million plus Beverly Hills mega mansion, a gold-plated masterpiece of opulence and elegance. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more exclusive luxury home tours. Now, let's begin. A sweeping aerial view reveals a breathtaking $100 million plus mega mansion set in the heart of Beverly Hills, where gold-plated architectural details shimmer in the sunlight and manicured gardens stretch out like a green carpet. The scene unfolds with an infinity pool reflecting the vibrant California sunset, while a private helipad crowns the rooftop, promising a life of unrivaled luxury. At the majestic entrance, towering gold-trimmed double doors open into a realm of opulence. The marble floor, adorned with custom inlays, leads you through a grand foyer where high vaulted ceilings and crystal chandeliers capture the essence of refined elegance, inviting you to explore further. Step into an extravagant living room where floor-to-ceiling windows frame panoramic views of Beverly Hills. The regal ambience is heightened by a sophisticated gold and black palette, a magnificent marble fireplace with intricate gold leaf detailing, and plush velvet furnishings that tell a story of timeless luxury. In the formal dining room, a custom-made gold-plated table stands as the centerpiece of an unforgettable dining experience. The dazzling crystal chandelier overhead and intricately carved wall panels with gold accents set the stage for lavish gatherings, while the wall-length glass wine cellar hints at the exquisite taste behind every detail. A state-of-the-art gourmet kitchen emerges as a masterpiece of design and functionality. Marble countertops and custom gold-trimmed cabinetry complement high-end appliances, while a massive gold-accented island becomes the heart of culinary creativity, opening up to an outdoor area that blurs the line between indoor luxury and al fresco elegance. The primary bedroom offers a sanctuary of opulence, featuring a massive gold-trimmed canopy bed draped in sumptuous fabrics. The space unfolds into a private sitting area with a gold and marble coffee table, where floor-to-ceiling windows invite natural light and provide a glimpse into a world of serene indulgence. In the master bathroom, a majestic marble soaking tub takes center stage, surrounded by gold-plated faucets and intricate detailing. A walk-in rainfall shower and dual vanities with crystal lighting create an atmosphere reminiscent of a classic European palace, where every moment is steeped in luxury. A private luxury cinema room emerges as a retreat for sophisticated relaxation. Gold-trimmed walls, plush velvet recliners arranged in a tiered layout, and an ultra-wide screen combine with a custom-designed bar area, creating an immersive environment where cinema and comfort blend seamlessly. An indoor pool and spa area captivate with their blend of marble grandeur and modern design. Gold-trimmed pillars reflect in the shimmering water, while ambient lighting and a custom-built sauna evoke a sense of tranquility and refined relaxation in a space where every detail is meticulously crafted. The outdoor entertainment area dazzles with an infinity-edge pool adorned with gold-tiled accents, luxurious cabanas, and an elegantly designed fire pit. The setting transitions seamlessly into a fully equipped outdoor kitchen, with sweeping views of the Beverly Hills skyline bathed in the hues of a California sunset. A high-tech luxury car showroom awaits, its illuminated marble floor and gold-accented walls setting the stage for a display of exotic supercars. The sleek, modern design is punctuated by a rotating display platform and an integrated bar area, exuding a fusion of automotive passion and refined elegance. The rooftop lounge offers a breathtaking panorama of the cityscape, where custom gold-accented furniture, an illuminated infinity-edge jacuzzi, and ambient fire pits create an oasis of sophistication under the starlit sky. This exclusive space, crowned by a private helipad, epitomizes the pinnacle of elite luxury living. This Beverly Hills mega mansion is the ultimate symbol of luxury, blending gold-plated grandeur with cutting-edge design. What was your favorite feature? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exclusive luxury home tours. Until next time, stay inspired by extraordinary design.